Hey guys, long time no see. So I got some new equipment for my podcast. Many of you know I have a podcast, and someone was very gracious to get me this stuff. So I thought we'd unbox it together. Let's do this. Okay. Decisions. Do we start with the microphone? So new mic, two microphones. Do we start with the new microphone or do we go to the headphones? Let's leave the headphones for last because you've seen me unbox a Shure microphone before. So I can just put this down here for now and we can unbox the Shure. Now, you guys saw me unbox the Shure MV7. The one I unboxed was not the MV7X. So what happened is between then and now, Shure have unleashed Shure have unleashed an X version of this, and the X basically stands for XLR. So this microphone does not have a USB out. It's made to be used with an XLR connection only. So that should be interesting to see how it comes in and what it comes with. But the box looks very similar. This graphic I think is different, though I'll have to confirm with the other box. And then, yeah, everything else is similar except the X. And actually, if I can put it here, everything else is similar except the X. So the graphic I was saying is different, I need to confirm. And then back here also the features, you can see XLR output only. Yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. So we start back here. We have to remove a carrier. For our international viewers, a carrier is a Greek word meaning something. Literally. Okay. So we remove that there. And then, okay, there we go. Now we have, similar to last time, you get this welcome to better sound thing, and then you remove the inner box. So a box with inner box again. Let's just put this over there. So now that we have a box within a box, okay, so I think it's like this. Okay, so we have our Shure card just like last time. Sound extraordinary. Actually, this is not just like last time. This has foam on it. Can you guys see? Foam. So it's got foam on it and just says sound extraordinary. So I guess they merged the card and the foam. And already we have the mic capsule. So I will put this aside for now. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. We have our, I should have known the name of this thing by now, guys. I should, because of the last episode and how long I took to describe it. This happens to be a converter, I think, and it converts the thread of the microphone to a smaller thread, just in case you need it. You probably will need it. So yeah, that's in there as well. So that's same as the last one. Your egg box, want to use it for something. And then you have your limited warranty. Here we go. Yeah, so that's your warranty. And then what's this? Arabic again, cool. And then safety precautions. Okay, so standard documentation. It seems a little bit different from last time, but more or less just the same as what we got. No cable, no pouch, so it doesn't come with a pouch. So let's put these aside and get into the mic capsule. Okay, so now guys, so first look, the foam seems different, but the first thing I noticed right off the bat is here. So the other one had a touch screen, and this one does not. So if you can see here, it's just like brushed metal with an S, a big S. On the other USB one, you have a touch panel here that shows the lights, and you can use to increase and decrease volume. PS, you never want to use it because when you tap it, the microphone picks that up, so you never use that. No one uses that really. But the brushed metal over here looks nice. The S, I don't know. I'm still not a fan of how big the branding is on this microphone, but it's Shure, and I guess they need to talk about themselves. It's their product. Down here you have just specifications, model specifications and stuff, but this brushed metal is nice. The mic feels as sturdy as before. The mic capsule looks beautiful. You'll definitely enjoy unboxing this and setting it up. And back here you can see, whereas before we had XLR, USB, and jack input to monitor, here you just have the XLR. And what that means is that this microphone is actually much cheaper than the other one. I think almost by about $80, 8 to 9,000 Kenya shillings. It's much, much cheaper. But then you probably use that money in whatever interface you connect it to. So no USB output on this one, no jack input. And that's about it. This is where you connect it to your stand. And yeah, sturdy build. Really love how this thing sounds and feels. This part though, this like horseshoe part of this thing feels a little bit lighter than the other one, but finished really well. I love the black on this. It's a really nice microphone. One thing I almost forgot to say is that, so this is not a microphone I would recommend that you actually start with. I would actually recommend that you start with a USB one. Reason being, before some of you out there fry me, that is easier for most people to begin with because it reduces the amount you spend on hardware. This is a mic for extending your what you have, your setup. And so like now for me who wants to do a bit more that needs 2 mics or 3 mics, going this route is cheaper. Or rather going this route is better. XLR only, I don't need all of them to have USB. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing, at least for this microphone. I want to thank you, donor, our secret donor. Thank you so much. It's such an absolute blessing. I pray that the content we produce with this thing would just make it more than worthwhile. But thank you so much for doing this. You've really touched us. Okay, that's the MV7X. Okay, so to the headphones. Now, these are Audio Technicas. Sorry, couldn't contain myself. These are Audio Technicas. I have wanted Audio Technica headphones for the longest time. These are the ATH-M20x. Now these well, the donor has gotten them because I needed some headphones for my guest because I want to go into more conversational stuff, or at least expand that for the podcast. So I needed an extra mic and an extra set of headphones. So this is what the guest will wear. For myself and for editing, probably get some M40Xs from Audio Technica. Don't have them right now. Maybe I'll do an unboxing of those like a short later or something. Maybe. I won't promise that I will, but I want to share opening this one with you guys. So let's go for it. Audio Technica. We are legit, guys. We are legit. So let's look at the box. Photo of it on the side. Professional monitor headphones. All right. 15 degrees of swivel each side. Again, a photo of the product. At the back, what do we have? Professional monitor headphones, advanced build quality and engineering, 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminium, not aluminum. Aluminium wire voice coils, tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance, Sakamaro design contours around the ears for excellent sound isolation in loud environments. Convenient single-side cable exit designed for studio tracking and mixing. So I guess you could use them for mixing, but I like the M40s for other reasons. But today is about the M20s and their use for my guests. So let's unbox this puppy. Now. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Arsenal fans will know that song. Ah, yeah. Audio Technica logo, nice. Let's do this right. Yes. Okay. So we are met with Chinese, which is fine. M20 is what we have, so we need to note that. Yeah. This says disposal of old electric and electronic equipment. Okay. More the Technica logo, more cardboard, which just comes out, okay. And then you have the headphones themselves. So there you go. So that's basically it. So these headphones are consistently wired. Let's remove this. So the cable for the M20s does not come out. I think when you step up to like the M30s, it does. Or if not at the M30s, when you step up to the M40s, definitely the cable is detachable. And it also comes with there we go. So it also comes with an adapter for your jack. So it adapts from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. And I've been unscrewing this in previous takes, but actually just pops off. So you'll need to find a place to keep this if you want to use this and keep it safe. There is no pouch with this, but it comes with this adapter, which is good, which means you can use it in a variety of contexts. So that's basically it for the 20s. Let me remove the box. And let me remove this other cardboard stuff. So these are really good like headphones for monitoring. If I was to, actually let me try them on. Let's see if I can get this off. Okay, so yeah, these are really good headphones for just monitoring for a guest. The cups are very spongy. They feel nice. The foam feels nice. They have like, I think this is faux leather or pleather. I've always liked how Audio Technica finishes the sides of their headphones. I think it's really nice. It's plastic though, definitely plastic. M20 there. The headband is adjustable for comfort. And you have a pair of 40mm drivers in here. So yeah, so this is really good. Provides nice isolation as well, just from cupping the ears. They are over-ear monitors, so there's some nice isolation and just a feeling of immersion for whoever's using them. I like them, I really do, and I think they'll be good for my guests. So guests of ITD, you can look forward to having this on your ears. Because the previous guests have been wearing some junky stuff, for which I apologize, guys. But God is good, it's come through with a donor. And again, thank you so much for our secret donor. Thank you so much for this, it's such a blessing. So yeah, that's it for the headphones. Is there anything I didn't cover that you'd have liked me to talk about? Is there anything you'd have wanted to see a bit more? Please let me know down in the comments. I will respond, I will post. And yeah, that's it. If you haven't listened to my podcast, link in the description. And I'll try and do those fancy things on YouTube where it appears in one of the corners. I don't know which one, so I'll just do this. In that corner there. Link to the podcast. Well, that's it, guys. It's good to see you again. Catch you in the next one. Peace.